Hello children, in the last class we have already learned the definitions of four major domains of the earth, and also we discussed about lithosphere. So then tell me, what is lithosphere? The landmass or solid crust of rock is called lithosphere. So that landmass is divided into 7 continents. The landmass is divided into 7 continents. So in today's class we are going to discuss about all these 7 continents. Which continent we belongs to. Okay, all that we are going to discuss in today's class. Continents of the world. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Okay children, then tell me, what is a continent? A continent is a large landmass. Okay, very simple. Okay, large landmass. You can see separate color it is designed in this picture. Okay, it's a large land masses. So entire land is divided into 7 large land masses. So they are called 7 continents. Alright. Now we are going to see these 7 continents. The first continent, Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the earth, and it occupies about 1/3 of the land of the world. So which is the largest continent on the earth, children? Asia is the largest continent on the earth, and it occupies about 1/3 of the land of the world. About 58% of the people of the world lives in Asia. There are now more than 46 countries in Asia. Our country is one of them. Which is our country? India. So India belongs to which continent? Asia. So it is clear, children. So which is the largest continent? Asia, and 1/3 of the land of the world occupies Asia, and 58% of the people of the world lives in Asia, and there are more than 46 countries in Asia. Shall we see the next continent? Next, we are going to see Europe. In fact, Asia and Europe together belongs to the same landmass. You can see in the picture also, children, they are together. They are not separated by a large water mass. So we cannot identify, there is no sea between. They are separated by Ural mountains and Ural river. So that also you can see in the picture. So look at the picture. See, it looks like a same land, but there is in between you can see Ural mountains passing through. Together this, that is Europe and Asia together are called Eurasia. What are they called, children? Europe and Asia together are called Eurasia. But for all practical purposes, Europe is treated as a separate continent. In size, it is the 6th out of the 7 continents. Only bigger than Australia. Next, we are going to see about Africa. Africa is next to Asia in size. That means second largest continent. And which is the second largest continent? Africa. The Suez Canal separates it from Asia. You can see in the picture, you see the Suez Canal is separating it from Asia. It is the only continent of the world which has the Tropic of Cancer, the Equator and Tropic of Capricorn passing through it. These lines are imaginary lines, children, that you will be learning in higher classes, but Africa is the only continent through which these three imaginary lines, which are the Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn passing through it. Alright, shall we move to the next continent? Which is the next continent then? It is North America. North America is the third largest continent of the world after Asia and Africa. It is about 8 times the size of India. It was Columbus who discovered this continent in 1492 AD. 1492 AD, who discovered Columbus. Next, we are going to see about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent of the world after Asia, Africa and North America. So, which is the fourth largest continent, children? South America. It is more than 5 times the size of India. North America and South America also formed a single landmass before they were separated by the Panama Canal. Now you can see before it was a single landmass, as like I have showed you in the Asia and Europe. Okay, afterwards this is separated by Panama Canal. We can see in the picture. Okay, so which canal separate North America and South America, children? Panama Canal, yeah, which is the fourth largest continent, South America. Next, we are going to see about the smallest continent. Then tell me, children, which is the smallest continent? Australia. Australia is the smallest continent on the earth. It is sometimes called an island continent. Why it is called an island continent, children? Because it is surrounded by water, all sides. Okay, seas and oceans are surrounded. So, it is called an island continent. Okay, which is the smallest continent? Australia. Next, we are going to see about Antarctica. Antarctica is a big continent. It lies around the South Pole. It is always covered with snow and ice. And as such, there is no permanent human settlement here because it is very difficult to live there because it is fully covered with snow and ice and it is very cold. It was discovered in 1921. Till that time, no one knows about Antarctica. So, it was discovered in 1921. Many countries, including India, are continuously sending people to Antarctica to gain more knowledge about this continent. Since it is, the climate is very harsh, it is very difficult to go and find out more about Antarctica. Okay, children, we will see in the next class with another new topic. Thank you.